focus. Oh, hi! This is Terry. Welcome back. Today I have something a little bit different for you. We're not going to do motorcycles for a bit. I'm going to show you how I, myself, Miss Blonde, took my desk from looking like this to looking like this. I did it myself. It was so easy. Also, I want to encourage you, please leave comments, please like, please share, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. It helps my channel, and we all know I'm working towards becoming financially independent, and it's a big old task. I'm amazed by you guys. So let's get into the video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you after the process. I have something that I'm going to attempt, and it is a video from Stone Coat Countertops. Oh my gosh, I have been looking for something. Focus with me. There, folks. I knew you could do it, camera. I have been looking for something to cover this top. It's just plywood, primed, painted. I sanded it down today. I found this. Mike, I hope this is okay if I show just a little bit of this. I'll turn the sound off. All right, so this is what I want to do. This is amazing. So he's starting off with black, as I have. There is the finished product. Mine is not going to look that fantastic. Okay, yeah, my face is a little red because I microneedled it yesterday. Don't look at it. Now, y'all, all you're gonna do is look at how red my face is. All right, what he has here, heat resistant epoxy, part A and part B, and I got a gallon total, so that's a half gallon in each one. I bought his silver glitter and black glitter. They were out of the mica flakes, and so I ended up getting, I don't know how this is gonna work, crushed pearl stardust mica, so I'm assuming those are gonna be really little. I hope they don't pigment my entire thing. And then I got titanium mica flake. We're gonna get on with the process and see if this girl can get it done. Just to let you know, I have prepped this, I sanded it. I was gonna, do like Mike said in the video, wipe it down with paper towel. Now, my general contractor husband is out in the garage. What are you gonna do there? Well, I need some paper towels to wipe this off. No, why don't you just use my air gun? Okay, it worked. Let's see if we can do this. You're just too crazy. Look, I got my hair done too. I've had to turn the fans off and close the doors. Originally, I was told I had to do this in the garage, but no, because there's dust. They're gonna be taking bikes out today. 1 part resin to 1 part hardener into a clean container. Mix thoroughly for 2 to 4 minutes with a drill or a plastic mixing attachment. I have these little suckers. We're gonna use this. Or as soon as mixed over the surface you wish to coat, and spread with a 1/4 inch square notched trowel. I've got the trowel over there. Thank you guys for having that available. I didn't want to have to run. Well, I can't run into Home Depot. They won't let me in. And my husband won't let me use a propane torch, so I have a heat gun. All right, so we're gonna go half and half. Let me open these up a little bit, just so I don't waste any precious hardening time. I'm gonna link his video because I would like you guys to watch it. It's really, really cool. And glitter all over me. Oh, this little thing is tiny. All right, so we be ready to get to mixing. I'm hoping my daughter's gonna peek her head in here because she's always so much fun. I am so OCD. It's like I check this a million times to make sure it says A and B. Oh yeah, this is, what do you know? That's pretty damn near perfect. For a blonde woman that's almost 60, that's pretty good, I'd say. I should have worn gloves. When will I learn? Well, if I haven't learned in 60 years, I'm evidently not gonna. Oh my gosh. It's all pretty amazing. But I think this is called, they called it like the Black Galaxy. Okay, 2 to 4 minutes. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be beautiful. This reminds me of my grandmother when I was a little girl. She had a butter churn. Man, I've only been mixing a minute. Jeez, this is worse than making Alfredo sauce. Anyway, she would tell the girls, churn the butter because it would make their boobs grow. So she always had girls churning the butter. I don't know why I thought of that. It out, make sure it's thoroughly mixed. I in his videos that he kept telling people, good job, good job. Like, remember, this is my first time doing this, trying. Maybe you'll say good job, maybe not, I don't know. Maybe you'll say, leave it to a professional. So now I'm chopping it. I took it all along the edges, like he said. This is it, right after I chopped it. And now I'm going to use the heat gun. Get some of the air bubbles out. This is gonna look badass, guys. These guys were using, like I said, blow torches. It's pretty rad. How hot does blowtorch get? Alright, gonna let this cure, turn out the lights. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna sand it with 150, then I'm gonna sand it with 220, then I'm gonna mix the final coat of the resin and pour it over the clear coat. And it's got to cure for 7 days. Only bad thing, this studio's coming together, even though it's a freaking mess right now. I can't wait. Exciting! You guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You have no idea how you make my day and your interactions. I love watching you guys interact with each other. Sometimes what you have to say is more important than most everything's more important than what I have to say. I'm using my GoPro, so I don't even know if I'm in frame or not. I didn't plug my battery in last night. I want to show you day 2 of the countertop. Here we go. Look at that. The mica is peeking out of the top, so I'm going to use some 150 and 220 and get that sanded, and then we're going to get the next coat of the resin on it. There was a very important part that I forgot yesterday. That was gloves. Yeah, that's true. Okay, using my GoPro thing, this is kind of wonked out here. Hopefully you'll get the drift. And I gotta sit down, because I kicked my butt. So, yesterday, what I did was, this was the top of the desk in my studio, and it was just plywood that had been painted black. Didn't like it. Fingerprints were sticking to it, makeup was sticking to it, everything was sticking to it. So I wanted to do some sort of an epoxy resin, and my daughter came up with this really killer idea, although I didn't want it quite as bougie looking. Glam looking as she wanted. I wanted it more understated. I don't know if we're going to get understated. But I found this guy, Mike, Stone Coat Countertops. I'm following you, Mike. And if you want, I don't know why I said that, because if you watch the beginning of this, you know what? I didn't empty this out, and now my stick is stuck in there. I have another stick, but I don't have another bucket. You can tell I don't do this stuff much. Well, shit. What the hell am I gonna do now? I don't want to call anybody to help me, because I don't want my dad to be proud of me, even though he's, up there. So I have one glove, and I'm looking around frantically for the other glove. It's on my hand. That's right. That's how I roll. Oh, I broke that off, but that's not going to help me stir it, is it? I gotta find a solution. I use a palm sander. I know some of you are saying, yeah, so? Well, I'll tell you why, yeah, so. Because people don't let me do stuff like that. I don't know why. Probably because I get my stick stuck in a bucket. Oh, son of a bitch. Alright, I followed Mike's instructions. I already said I went over it with, let me tell you what, well, you saw the first of the video. Why am I thinking this is 2 separate videos? I'm going to mix the hardening resin today. Gloves, Terry, the life of me. Sorry you guys have seen me in the last couple of videos without makeup, but I just haven't had I've been tired. I've been working like a dog on some things. Where'd my other little brush go? So I sent Mike, or whoever gets emails I keep having to look at this because I want to say Stone Mountain like in Georgia. Stone Coat Countertops, an email, because I think it would be a really cool idea to ride down there and meet him, see what he does, on my motorcycle. It's just in Medford. That's 5 hours away, 4.5 hours, something like that. You know, I think that'd be fun. I hope he gets back to me. I am gonna tag him in this. Just don't tell me everything well, yeah, I guess you need to tell me everything I did wrong because it's the only way we learn, right? Boy, don't I know that after these last 2 years. There's a girl out there that tried to warn me, and you know who you are. I should have listened to you. Look at that. I know I should have used a clean bucket, but I don't have one, so let's just hope that none of this stuff comes off. I think it's pretty well stuck onto the bucket. Okay, it's 1:44. Easy was that? It looks amazing, absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to get the other touches up in here so I can give you like the full tour. If I gave you the full tour right now, you'd be saying, I'm out of there. That is a mess. Yeah, it's a mess. But I want to thank you for hanging in there. Thank you for supporting me. Like I said, every like, every comment, every subscription, every hitting the bell helps my channel to be spread further, therefore helping me to become financially independent. And that's something that's very much needed. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. I appreciate the community we have built. Peace out. I'll be seeing you soon.